Hello, 9th graders. Good afternoon. How are you today? Let us start our maths class today. Last meeting, we have learned about quadratic equations and three methods how to solve the quadratic expressions. Today, we will continue to the next topic. Prepare your textbook, open page 57 about fractional equations and problems involving quadratic equations. Sum of quadratic equations can be formed in fractions. Please remember the steps how to solve the fractional equations. Multiplying both sides by their common denominator, or usually we call as the LCM or KPK. Then transform them into the quadratic equations. Move to the left side, make it equal to 0. Then find the solution using one of the method: factorization, graph, or quadratic formula. Choose the easiest method to solve the quadratic equation. Look at this example. Solve the equation of x plus 2 over x plus 1 over x minus 2 equal to 2. Follow the steps by step, multiplying both sides by their common denominator. In this case is x times x minus 2. Then we simplify 1 and move all the variables to the left side, equal to 0. After we got the form of quadratic equation, then solve it to find the solution. From exercise 2.5, page 59, number 6, read the question below. Mrs. Kwon runs a yoga class of M students. We don't know yet the total of the students. Her monthly income is $7,200. Express the monthly fee of each student in terms of M. To find the monthly fee, it means total income divided by the total students. In this case, $7,200 divided by M. Just let it in terms of M. When 6 students drop the class, she increases the monthly fee of each student by $29. Express her new monthly income in terms of M. So, the total students after drop is M minus 6. The monthly fee of each student after increasing is $7,200 over M plus $20. So, her new monthly income, it means the monthly fee of each student multiplied by the total students, equal to 7,200 over M plus 20 multiplied by M minus 6. Next, if her monthly income in B is 600 less than her original income, write down an equation to represent the information and show that it simplifies to M squared plus 24M minus 2,160 equal to 0. So it means the monthly income in B equal to the original income subtract by $600. Just substitute the monthly income in B and the original income. Okay, then we simplified the equation. Multiply 7,200 over M plus 20 to M minus 6. After we multiply it inside, then multiply both sides by m, the denominator. Remember how to solve the fractional equations? After we get the form of the quadratic equations, just simplify it, divide it by 20. Then prove that the monthly income in B is m square plus 24m minus 2160 equal to 0. It means proof. Now we continue to solve the problems involving the quadratic equations. Follow the steps below. Read the problem carefully. Let x be an unknown quantity. Express some other quantities in terms of x. Then set up an equation of x using the given information. After that, solve the equations and check the solutions. Look at the example of problem solving. A rectangular swimming pool measures 20 meters by 16 meters. A pad of uniform width is built around the pool. If the area of the pad is 100 meters square, find the width of the pad, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Remember, sig fig, no, not decimal place. Look at the picture. Which one is the pad, which one is the length, and which one is the width of the pool. Okay, to solve the questions, write first the known. The length equal to 20 meters, the width is 16 meters, area of pad is total area minus by the area of pool. It means 100 meters square. Find the width in meter. Area of pool equal to length multiplied by the width. After we got the area of the pool, find the total area. The total area is total length multiplied by the total width. After you find the multiplication, then simplify to form the quadratic equation. After that, we solve it using the quadratic formula. After we find the form of the quadratic expressions, now we solve it using the quadratic formula. Substitute the value of A, the value of B, and C. Then find the solutions of x. So we got x equal to 1.30 and x equal to negative 19.2. For the negative solution, we reject it because we need the positive solutions. So the width of the pad is x, or in this case equal to 1.30 meter. Remember, 3 significant figures, so become 1.30 meter. Now look at the next example of problem solving. The sum of the squares of 2 consecutive positive odd numbers is 650. Find the numbers. Remember, consecutive means berurutan. So, the consecutive odd numbers, we make as x and x plus 2. So, it means the sum of the squares become x square plus x plus 2 square equal to 650. Just simplify it, then get the quadratic equation and factorize it to find the solutions. So the numbers are 17 and COVID-19. Okay, that's all for the sessions of today. See you on the next session, and please do the assignment 4 at your exercise book with the full steps and submit it on time. Okay, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.